Fa la 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 la. This is going to be my favorite line throughout winters. And this is for you to read, children. Fa la 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 la. Okay, so let me decorate my class with this. And so it looks pretty for you. And here we go. So children, you would be surprised, why did I go shopping for these wrapping sheets? I'm going to tell you why. So I bought these wrapping sheets to pack some gifts which I'm going to give to somebody who is not as lucky as you and me, who cannot afford to buy toys. So children, what kind of toys we should be donating or giving for charity to people who cannot afford all this? Should we be giving the broken toys which are torn or which we just throw in the trash? Or should we be giving some toys which are in a very good condition, but we have so many toys, we are not using them anymore? Yes, we should be giving things which we do not use anymore, but all are in a very good condition. So let me show you how I'm going to sort my toys, and I'm going to wrap a toy for somebody in this cold winter who has nothing to cheer for, who is waiting for my gift. So I have these two teddy bears. I have a cattle. I like it. I have a bunny. I've got so many things. Oh, but I have these two toys. So I can spare one and share with somebody who needs it as much as I need it. I think, look at this toy. This is torn. You think I should be giving the torn toy? No. If I want to share it with somebody, we should not give things which are torn or broken. So this one looks pretty good. This one is in a good condition. So I'm going to give this toy as a gift to somebody who's waiting for a nice gift. So how should I give a gift? Should I just give it in the hand? Do you like gifts coming in wrapping papers? Do you like opening wrapping sheets, wrapping? Do you like unwrapping your gifts? And the surprise which comes inside that? Yes. So somebody is waiting for that nice surprise. We will help them to cheer up their moods. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to wrap it in that wrapping paper which I bought from the wrapping shop. See now. Okay, I've got such nice wrapping sheets. Wow, they're so pretty. I bought all these sheets from the shop. Let me see, but I don't like this one. These two are also there. Should I choose this polka dots or the green golden? I think I'm going to take this one. I like this one. So I'll show you how to pack a gift, how to make a bag out of a simple wrapping sheet. So we just open up the sheet and fold it, one small and one overlapping. No, this one can come like this. This is this is a wider side of it. And the smaller side can come like this. Okay, so and I'm going to fold my paper from here. Alright, and then open this fold and then fold it again like this. Like this, and from the other side too. Very nice. Wonderful. Yes. I'm going to put tape all around now. So this doesn't open up. You can just wrap so the tape doesn't show. If you want it to be looking a little neater, yes, like this. And like this, and like this, and my wrapping, my bag is absolutely ready now. It's opening up. I think I'm going to put another tape here. Perfect. So my dear children and my dear everybody, The bag is ready. And I'm going to throw my nice pretty gift in this. It fits in very well. And you can just fold it neat and nice. Yes, and the gift bag is absolutely ready. So, something I missed. We get this in the market. I'm going to put a nice bow on it. Yes. Pretty bow. You can use a double tape too if you like. And here we go. Who would not like to receive a gift like this? And just imagine the pure joy when you open up the gift and the surprise. What comes out of it? Wow, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your gift with me. Thank you for sharing your toys with me. Thank you so much. And children, also, I have these two mugs here. You know, and I don't need these two mugs. So which mug I can share with somebody? I think I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to write something nice on the mug. Something nice which will cheer up their day. Love, and you can write your name with a permanent marker. And similarly, on the gift, you can also write something, even if you cannot read, something nice tag like this. Isn't it so pretty? Two small things with a great heart. So just imagine when you put nice tag here. So my dear children and my dear parents, let's bring happiness and cheer in people's lives. It's a beautiful world, and when you share with somebody, it brings happiness not only to you, but to the whole world around us. So happy sharing and happy times, like we always say at Pumpkins.